Hi guys, I'm just waiting for the lag and the delay. Look at my big face. So let's see. Okay, you know the usual. I'm going to open up another Facebook page to make sure that I can see you guys, which I can. So let's see here. So I am actually not in my home studio, but still decided that I was going to keep my promise and do my lives in the afternoons. So I am going live from our staycation location. Um, I hope everybody is having a nice Friday. I am. I went to a Women in Leadership conference today. That's why. Look, I have makeup on. Ooh. Yes, I have makeup on. Um, Our group is now up to a whopping 22,000 members. Thank you guys for joining us and believing in me and the rest of the crew to get you to reach your goals. Hi, Gata. Um, I truly appreciate you guys. I know sometimes I come on here and I stutter, and that's because I am completely in awe of what's going on in both groups. But I'm really happy with the way things are going. Um, we have some amazing admin and some amazing mods that help out a lot to keep everything on the same track or on the right track for you guys. So I wanted to just say thank you to everyone. Thank you for all your efforts that you're putting in. And today I wanted to do something different. It's Friday, someplace Saturday. And so therefore that I just wanted to do something a little bit different that I've been not so much planning for a while, but I kept thinking about it and I'm like, just go ahead and do it. And since I have a little bit of time, my husband is still out and he gave me about an hour to spend with you guys, which I'm hoping that I don't take that long. But I think you guys are gonna like today's group tutorial is going to be how to create a website on Canva. So outside of doing this, I am a realtor and mortgage broker. And one of the things that I do for the agents that I work with is whenever they have a open house, I create like a little go-to open house website for them. And then I just make it live. So therefore, if someone is looking for direction, everything is on there. I'm going to show you how to link your phone number, your email, how to add in Google Map. So say for instance, somebody saw your open house on or whatever event that you're having, it just does not needs to be for realtors. It's for anyone who is in business who needs a quick and easy website. I am going to put you guys on my phone. So bear with me for a second. And let me go here. So if you guys can hear me clearly, please let me know. It's sunny in Sydney. It's actually sunny here in San Diego today, which is kind of nice. The last 2 days since we've been home, it's literally been bleaky, but it's no longer bleaky, which is kind of great. Hi, Antoine. I am trying to mute this thing so I don't hear the echo for myself. Oh, I'm back. So anyway, so today what we're going to do, and I'm trying to keep my eye on the messages as well. So I'm going to go back to the studio and I'm going to share my screen. So let me know if you guys are having any issues on your end. Share screen, and it's going to go entire screen just in case I pull something up. And you guys are over here. So here, the screen. So you guys should see me and all my mess on your screen. I'm going to switch my screen over to and let me plug my computer in before we die, because we don't want to have a little incident on live now, do we? I keep forgetting that I use a lot of power when I'm doing this. So let me just plug this in so I could charge my phone. I'm sorry, charge my computer. And let's see. Sorry, just bear with me 1 second. Oh, jeez. I plugged the wrong one out. So let's do this. First, we're going to get some power going, which is here. And then I am trying to plug my second screen in, but if I can't get it in, it's fine. We have, I have another screen. I feel like I'm having ID10T errors. I hope you guys know what ID10T errors is. I never do this on my laptop, and I'm doing it on my laptop. So bear with me. And I know why. So anyway, I'm going to have to do this with one screen. So basically, this is a website that I did for one of my agents. And with that being said, what I did, so if you don't know how to search for, say, for instance, a website template, this is not a template. I'm going to show you how to start a website on Canva. So let's go over to this one is actually live. As you can see, it's live here. And then this one is the one we're going to be working in. So I'm just going to open another Canva screen. All right. And so when you are on Canva and you would like to start a website, you can literally go to create. And when you click on the Canva logo, it will take you back here. So you're going to go here, click here, our home, and it's going to take you up top. If you don't see it, you can always search for it, but it's right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on website. Now, Canva have a ton, and when I say a ton of already ready-made template. You can even search in the field that you're in. So let's go real estate. And these are real estate. And if you notice, this one say 1 of 5 pages, 1 of 7 pages. So you will have different numbers. But here's the thing. When you click on this, it's going to open up the pages and it's going to ask you, I'm going to apply these. I'm just going to go back to the other ones so you could see. So you apply the pages and you now have a template that you can go and customize to whatever it is that you want to customize. Okay. So I already created one over here. And what I'm going to do is once I am finished, I am going to create a template link that's specific for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone it and then share it with you guys. So if someone could tell me in the chat if everything is okay before I move on, I would greatly appreciate it. Hi, Michelle. How are you, love? I've been missing for a while. Hi, Rex. So you guys are coming in. All right, I'm working with my phone and my laptop. So one of the first things that I usually do once I go over here is make sure you name your design. Please name your design. If you don't name your design, then it's going to be lost in a sea of things. So we're going to name this one test. We're going to name it test Canva AI. So we know this is the one that we just created so you guys could see. So what I want to show you on this one is, you see when you go to the live link, if I click on this, you're going to, let's go preview. We have our header with all the different pages. So what I did here was I named the property address, info, showing, and get approved. So each page, once you click on them, it's going to show you the information. So for showing details on the property, and I left some of these blank so I can edit them with you guys and go along. Info, property address. So the first thing that I did was I started with the property address. So you would come here, go to your text box, and you can drop in. Once you click header, it's going to come in. Okay. So we're going to start here, and you're going to put your header in, put your information in. The image background, all I did was I took, this is an actual photo of the property. So I took the actual photo of the property and I did replace background. So it now becomes a part of the background. Here, I did an element. So we're going to go to elements. I'm going to take the map out. And I just used this. And I changed it to black. And I am in my real estate brand kit. So because of that, it is showing the colors for my real estate company. But you can change it to whatever color you want. So if you wanted it to stay like with the orange, you can leave it with the orange. So I'm going to remove that background, that one. So now you see. And if you don't want it to be so bright, which I did not, and we're going to pull this down, and we are going to hit the transparency. And there we go. So we get to see a little, the whole community along with the pool. So do I, Michelle. I really do have a lot of untitled Canva designs. So I've been actually going back and titling them because it's driving me nuts. So you fix the front page. So this is going to be the cover page. This is the first thing that anyone's going to see when you're here. There was nothing complicated about the front page. What I did do was I attach to the phone number the SMS short code. So if somebody clicks on this, it will directly send them to your text message. And I am going to get my little notepad. I wish I had my other screen, but I'm going to open it for you guys. So as you can see, there's my notepad with my little cheat sheet because I wanted to make sure that I had this for you. So basically, text message, telephone, and mail. I'm going to drop these in the chat so you guys can have them. And I'm going to show you in a second how to use them. So let me go back to Facebook since we're playing with it this way because I only have one screen. And we're going to paste it there. There it is. So Those are your formula cheat sheet. Change the number. Make sure that you put your country code. Ours in the United States, it's 1. So if your country code is a different country code, make sure you change that and then you put your number. That's the key to it. SMS is still going to be SMS, and telephone, which is just for them to call you directly. Hey, Helena, for them to call you directly, it's still going to be telephone. So those are universal. The country code is not. So let's go back over here. So whenever you would like to attach, what you're going to do is click on it, and you're going to do more, which is all the way at the very end, and you're going to go to link. Where's my link? Don't tell me you won't let me do it because it's already done. So we're going to go to, I have to do edit link because the link is already in. So we're going to hit edit link, and you're going to see what the short code is. So that is the short code. So what you do is you copy and you paste it right here, and you hit done. And now your phone number is actually linked to here. And once I republish this, I'm going to show you how you can actually, the person will literally, their phone will go straight to calling you. With your email address, same thing. We're going to edit it, and we're going to drop our email address here. Then you're going to hit done. Once you hit done, your phone and your email is now attached to the website, aka I call it a landing page. Some people call it a website. As long as it gets me what I want, I don't care what you call it. All right. So I was just checking for messages, and then I'm going to move this. Can you guys see this? I'm going to move this over here so I can have a little bit more control over what I am seeing, and I can keep an eye on your messages. So that basically is the first page. The second page, since we are taking them somewhere, what I did was, and I'm going to take this out and I'm going to show you how to do it again. Hi, Jacelyn. So basically I added 2 interior photos here. So you see it's just an image and we drop it in. And even if you were doing this as a demo for someone, you can simply go to elements and type in elements, which we're already in, real estate. And you will get all kind, how about beach house? And I've been making these for over a year and using them with my clients. So this is a house that we're selling, you guys. You double click on it and you reposition the image. So double click, reposition the image, and then you hit done. So that's our new home. Okay. One of the things that I absolutely love about this, I'm going to go back to the front page and I'm going to copy the address. I double click on it and then I'm just going to copy it. And as usual, I am doing this on the fly because everybody knows I like to do stuff on the fly. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to type in a Google Maps. If you type in Google, it's going to come up. And what you're going to do is you're going to do use app. In here, you're going to add the address, Google Maps, and I'm going to delete this one out. This map is a live map of the location, the property location. And we're going to go to position, and we are going to go to forward because I didn't want this little edge right here showing. That's just you tweaking and making sure that everything looks presentable. So here I put in the bedroom and bathroom count and the square footage. most people, when they're looking at a property, they're looking to see bedroom, bathroom, and square footage. So I put it here. This page is complete. So then when you come over here, we're going to get rid of this. I decided, so I have a description of the property here. So I went to we're going to go up to text box. Let's get rid of this. And we're going to go up and we're going to add a text box. And you want to do body because you're writing in. And let's do this. And because of the font that it picks up, it's just really small. So go up here and change your font. Make it a readable font. And you just start typing. So I have the description here, which is what this is. I'm going to delete this one out. So I put the description here. The background is a video because, of course, I'm me. I like everything to look pretty. So the next thing that I did, so if you wanted to go back and find some more photos, we go back to Element and we're going to type in realtor. I took out the realtor that I was working with this particular one. I didn't ask his permission if I could do this with his information, so therefore I took it out. And we're going to look for a photo of a realtor, and we're going to drop her in. And we're going to double click on her, and I've shown you guys how to spice up your profile and your image photos, so I'm not going to do all of that right there. So here, oh, look, I have long blonde hair. So here I have a scheduler showing. Again, the information for them to call to schedule the showing, same thing. It's hard coded in. So when they call, they hit that button, it's going to go directly to my cell phone or your cell phone or whomever's cell phone, but it goes directly to the cell phone. Thank you, Gata. Hey, brother Steven. Guys, say hi to my brother Steven. My family's always here. My sister is on here too. I know I saw her, Sandra. Hi, Sandra. So here you come again and you add, I added 6 photos from the inside of the property because you want people to see what they're getting. So we're going to go back to Elements and we're going to find another photo. And I'm just dropping photos in, you guys. So I didn't want that photo here. And undo is your best friend. So see, I put it in the wrong place. This is the undo up here. So now the background, I wanted it. I'm going to hit play. I wanted to do something move, not stagnant. So what I did was I went to Elements and I type in real estate video. And so we found real estate videos and I went for one that's graphic. So let's see, where are they? So let's go with videos. So I went, and you can use any video. You can see, let's change it to this one. I use something with a white background because I wanted everything else to be highlighted. So I made sure that I didn't use anything that was too bright. And that was my reason for doing that. So let's get out of here. And we're going to go to position and we're going to go to layers. And since I added 2 videos, this one is on, oh, come on. This one is on the bottom. So let's delete out this one. This is the one that was there before. So you see the other one. And so now this video is the new video that we just added, and it's going to be playing in the background. Okay. So the next page is about moi because I am the mortgage broker. So what I did was I put my application here, same thing. The application for the 1003, which is the loan application that everyone has to fill out. I have it here. So I didn't give you guys the link to that because that's my personal website. And I'm sure you guys, if you guys want to buy a house, I'll be happy to sell you a house. So I add that there. Same thing, add it to the link. We're done. I put my little signature here, and I have a QR code if you want to share it with someone. And then that's it. So the next thing that I did was at the bottom, I know I saw someone requesting for the page to automatically for the pages to be automatic. If you do not come down here and name the pages, you will not have a, and I'm going to show it to you in a second. So I would come here and I name the pages, and I'm going to show you why I name the pages in a second. So I name the pages. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to preview and make sure that everything is the way that we want it. Okay. And it's taken a little bit of time to load up everything, but this is what we did. The map is loaded. If you see it here, if you see directions, I wanted you guys to see that this actually works. And I don't even know the address where I am. So when you do that, it will bring up the information. And all you have to do is, if it's not automatically picking up your current location where you are, you could type it in here and it's going to give you directions to the property. But I wanted you guys to see that it actually worked. So then the next thing, we're going to come down here and we're going to click on this, and it's going to tell me that I don't have an app on my computer for the phone, and it's really an app on Canva. So Canva does not have any phone call apps as yet. So because it doesn't, the phone number will not work from Canva, but it will work on your cell phone. And I'm going to publish it and I'm going to drop it in, and you guys can tell me if it's working or not. And so let's go back up to the top. So here is the email. So let's test the email. It's taking you to Outlook. So I wanted you guys to see that it works. That's my work Outlook email. So I wanted you guys to see that this actually works. If, say, for instance, you want someone to text message you, I could have done this as a text message. That's why, hi, Philip. That's why I did this as a text. I gave you all three. So you'll be able to use all of them. I know that no one showed me this, and I actually have to thank my daughter for helping me with this, because some of this stuff I know, but she helps me a lot. So I have to give my daughter credit for giving her mama's old brain a few new tricks. So I actually make, like, I have 14 agents. So I make landing pages for my agents to just make sure that they're completely ready to go. And that's basically that portion of it. So I hear and see a lot of questions in the Canva group and in our group and in Sean's group about the how do we publish or get a website on Canva. Once you're finished with this, you're in the website mode. You go to publish website. You have two options. Two options are, you can either buy a custom domain, you can bring in a custom domain. See, I'm going to edit this because I already put a domain on it. But if you can go here and literally get a new domain from Canva, then I have my stuff is already set up. So unfortunately, I can't show you the getting of the website portion of it. But when you come here, it's self-explanatory. If any of you guys are trying to do it and you having any issue, just give me a call and I will help you. So here you go to publish setting, and this is just so I can show it to you. You can do the website description, and if you wanted to unpublish or go republish. Now I was looking. So here you see where it says resize for mobile. I have it resized for mobile. So if you're on your mobile phone, then you can see it. It will adjust it. If you notice, the photo is changing from the computer to the mobile phone. So it will adjust based off what you choose. Include navigation bar. In order for your navigation bar to work, you have to name your pages. If you don't name your pages, your navigation bar will not work. And we're going to republish, and it's going to give me a link. And from giving me the link, I'm going to share it with you guys, and see, it gives you the link here, and you go copy. And I am going to come over to here, and I am going to, oh, thank you so much, Rex. I appreciate that. Listen, you guys, the admin and mods in this group, Gata, Rec, you guys literally make my day. Every single day I get up and see you guys writing something, or just anything to promote the group, to find, to get other people to come in. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys getting people to subscribe to the YouTube channel, which we're up to, I think, 360 the last time I checked. I know, I'm excited because it's moving. So I'm going to drop this in. Okay, drop it in, which I did. I think I did. Did you guys get it? Did you get it? Okay. So when and you can tell, for Canva, it's always going to have whatever your Canva name is, and then it's going to have Canva at the end of it. So I have quite a few of them, but you can also do your custom domain. So if you wanted to do a custom domain, you could simply go, if you have one with GoDaddy, you can do, I'm going to do a C name, not today because I'm not prepared or set up for it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do, thank you so much, Gata. I'm going to go to Streamyard if I can find it. Let's do this. Because it was on the other screen. Let's see. I don't even know what's up here. This is so strange for me. Okay, so I am going to end the presentation unless there's something that you guys want to see. If there's something that you guys want to see me add into it, let me know. So don't be afraid to ask me questions. Let me know if you clicked on the link and it worked. So if not, I'm going to end the screen, and you guys can, if you have any questions, we can, let me see, stop screen share. So all you have now is me. I look tired, don't I? I haven't caught up on my sleep yet. I keep waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning because I'm still on Jamaica time. Okay, so with that being said, what do you guys think of the website? I think that if I have tons of websites, you guys. If I tell you how many websites that I have, you all would think I'm crazy. I have a website for everything. So I wanted to share this particular process with you guys because I keep seeing questions in the main Canva group, and I saw a couple of questions in the Fun with Canva group about how do you do this. You not only can create a website, you can create a link tree. If you guys want me to do a link tree, I can do a link tree another time. I can just go through the process with you. It's really easy. I know it's simple, but it's not simple because sometimes if you don't know and you want to learn, this is it. So any questions? I'm open for Q&A. What we have for Q&A? Hey Gator, what do we have for Q&A today that I didn't answer from being from the group? Because I didn't check before I came on. I just decided that this was going to be my Q&A for today. So do we have any questions that needs to be answered? And I know that there is a delay because I'm moving my head, but it's not really. Okay, so you're saying that even though you have multiple pages, only show as one scroll page. So are you on your phone? So if you're on your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the right hand side and you should see the 3 line bars. If you press that, it will allow you to go from page to page. So let me go back. And you guys can't see what I'm doing. So preview. Is it taking you from page to page? You're just scrolling up and down? Let me go over here because I can see the questions here now. And so I'm going to try doing it from my phone as well. Let's test it out. I know it's titled. Close that. We're going to close that. Because on mine, it's scrolling. So how about at the top of the page? Do you see it should be black and the writing should be. I'm going to share the screen again. So let me go find StreamYard again, and I'm going to share the screen again. Okay, you guys should be seeing my screen, and then I am going to go back here. Okay, so okay, so you are seeing the Navi bar on the side. Yes, it is easier than WordPress, way easier than WordPress. And I actually know WordPress because I'm crazy like that. So yes, I agree. It's way easier than WordPress. Okay, on phone does scroll but can click and can see Navibar on side. Okay. So what I'll do is you and I can chat about it, and what we can do is I can see what the issue is. That would be a Canva issue and not something that I can fix at this moment. But you should see here at the top, you should see the Navi that will go from page to page at the top. But when you're on your phone, it should literally be in a little sidebar here with the 3 lines. You click on the 3 lines and it will show you the 3 lines. You click on that, and then it should give you the Navi bar where you can click on whichever page you want. However, I can't fix for Canva today, but I can sure try and figure out why it's doing that. And I needed to say designed by Margot and not designed with Canva. I'm just saying. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing again. I understand what the issue is. I will send a message, or I'll test it on my phone and see, and then I'll do a screen recording of my phone, and I'll do an addition to the screen recording so we see what it looks like on mobile. Fair enough? All right, so I'm going to go back here and I'm going to stop sharing again. Can you guys hear my music in the back? I forgot it was back there. Okay. So if we don't have any questions at all, going once, going twice. All right, let's see what's going on in the group. I'm going to jump into the group and see what's going on in the group. I'm on here. I might as well. Helena Love. Okay, thank you. I'm trying to be more relaxed. All right. Discussions. Oh, and chat still isn't back yet. It is annoying me to no end. Okay, so who likes the spooky Christmas challenge? Took screenshot, can't upload on live. Yes, music softly. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna do a screen. I'm gonna do a video of the of it from my phone, and then we can see if anybody else is having the issue and how we can fix it. If it's something that we can fix. I am not sure if it's something that I can fix, but I can sure try. Okay. All right, guys. I appreciate you. I am going to go take some rest because I have a dinner date with my hubby. I know you guys know how crazy I am about him. I'm always talking about it. I saw that. I had another idea, but I have to see if it's going to work first because believe it or not, I actually wrote that prompt. So I have to come up with some more spooky ideas before you know it. And I'm not a Halloween person. So I'm not sure where this is coming from. Christmas is, oh, I can't wait for Christmas. Oh, it's on and popping. November 1st is the Christmas prompts are coming out. All right, guys. I am going to say good night. Happy weekend. I am going to try and do a 15-minute tomorrow. And I have to go back and number them like we spoke about this morning, Gata, so we can know how many we have and start the 15-minute series. And you're going to help me stick to 15 minutes. Good luck with that. All right, guys, have a good weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I forgot to say thanks for watching. And stream.